Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to format your documents in a way that um, is required. Okay, let's start. Let's say this is your document now and it look rough. So there's time maybe you are given an assignment or you are asked to justify your documents, give it double spacing and so on and so forth. So let's start. Now, the common font in research projects or any document is Times New Roman. So what you need to do now is to select all by tapping on Ctrl A on your keyboard. Then you come to the font, you select Times New Roman. Now all the fonts are now in Times New Roman. For you to justify, you come to your alignment. You have left alignment, center, right alignment, and you have justify. So for you to justify it, there are two methods of doing that. You either click justify here or you click on Ctrl J on your keyboard. So with that, the document is justified, that is, it's looking neat now. So the next thing is when you want to give it double spacing, you come here, you see this one is single spacing, that's when you have 1.0. 1.5 is multiple, when you are having 1.1, 1.5, that's multiple spacing. If you select 2.0, that's double spacing. So you click 2.0, which is double spacing. Now for the font size, beside your font, you have the font size. You have font 10. So depending on the font you are given, majorly you will be asked to use font 12. So you select 12. So now you have everything there. So this how to increase your font size to 12 and justify. Another thing is, if you want to bold it, you select the document and select the bold, which is B. Another method is you can select the document and press Ctrl B on your keyboard. Same thing apply with this. Select um your word and type, you select the word and press Ctrl B on your keyboard. Then another thing is, if you want to give it color, you select the document and come to the color here, the color you would like to use. You see the one you want. So if it is blue, purple or red, so you select it. So that's how to give it color. Then this one also, that's how to give it color. So that's how to see you justify and format your document to look okay. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.